All right, what's going on, my beautiful people? In this video, we're going to talk about how to join MyEcon Global Launch 2025, the cost to join MyEcon. So you have three different choices and the price that you can come in with MyEcon with, and I'm going to share that with you in this video. Now, as you see right now, I'm on my actual page of MyEcon account, and what you're going to get is you see up here in the right-hand corner, you see my name, Richard Hairston, EVP Platinum. You can put your phone number, your email address that, it's going to forward to the email address, that you have inside of MyEcon, but you're able to put your image here. Now, when you get ready to join MyEcon, you can send people to this page if you want to. I don't recommend that you do that. I would actually set up a funnel, and I'm going to show you how to get a funnel so you can do that. And someone can read about the about us, the products, the opportunity video, and the contact. But the way you join MyEcon from this page is you simply click the join now button. So if someone scrolls down, they can also check out this video here on this page and click the join now button on this page as well and read some success stories. So one of the ways to do it is to click the join now button here. Once you click that button, a link will be in the description. You're going to make sure you see my name here. Okay, on the online enrollment, you're going to put in your information here, your applicant information, your address, your phone number, and you're going to be able to pick a package that you want to join. I'm going to show you how to pick a particular package that you might want to join at other than coming to this page right here. So you're going to fill out this information on this page. That's one way that you can join MyEcon, right now. And the cost to join MyEcon, there are different costs, and that I'm going to share with you in this video as well. Another way you can join MyEcon is you can come to this page right here. There will be a link for this in the description. You can click on this page right here. You can read this page. I call this the pick your plan. Pick a plan page. Okay, you can enroll for $99.95, and you see all of the benefits that you are getting here. You're going to get a done for you system and the benefits. Now, when you come in at the $99.95, which is the elite business membership, you're going to get access to a couple of other things that you're not going to get access to in the financial business membership, and that's going to be, you'll get the Zango Travel Club here, and you get the ID Defender. That comes with the $99.95. With the $99.95, you'll earn $70 per person that comes in with that. So keep that in mind. You're going to get 10 spots in our team rotator. I don't have a personal rotator set up yet for this. I'm waiting on the global launch before I can, because I want other people to be able to get in on that rotator as well. The next price you can join as, you can enroll for $44.95. You still get the done for your system, okay? And you're going to get 5 spots in the team rotator, whereas up here you got 10 spots in the team rotator. The benefits are the income shifting, the credit system, cash flow manager, and the investment education. Okay, so that's the $44.95. The next one is the $24.95. You're going to get everything up here that's in the $44.95. You're going to get it in the $24.95. The only thing is, you're getting a discount here to join MyEcon, and I'm giving you a discount, to do that. So if you choose this, when you click the link that's in the description below, just know you're getting a discount, a saving from the $24.99 to the $24.95 of $20. Okay, so you're saving $20 there. But just know that on the $44.95, I think you earn $40, and then on the 24 you're going to earn that same amount as well. And then the global is coming soon, which is going to pop off this weekend, March the 15th. Okay, so you want to get access to that. You're going to get the done for your system. You're going to get the done for your system. Your benefit is the elite travel club membership, the full global compensation plan, and $15, $35. Okay, so that's the prices. So on the $44, you're going to earn $35. On the $99, you earn $70. And on the 24, you would earn $15. Okay, that's per person, one-time sale, but that also puts you in the matrix to earn residual income as well, and you earn up to 5 spots in the team rotator. Okay, so That's what you're going to see when you click the button click the link that's in the description below. Now, when you become a part of my team in MyEcon, whether it's global or whether it's right here in the United States, it makes no difference to me. You're going to get access to the funnel team training system. Okay. So what that means is you get access to over $10,000 worth of training and system for free. Okay, when you join us inside of MyEcon, you're going to get to set up your links app. Everything you're going to get is access right here. It walks you step by step through the process, downloading the app, or which funnel is for you, set up your domain, and what's next. Also, you're going to get to start promoting, understanding the process, getting ready for the process, what the process looks like, how to get good at the process, how to communicate with your leads, what's next, okay? How to use your membership. All of that is over here for you. If I just click through it, everything is here telling you how to use your membership. You want to be a product of the product. In other words, use the membership to your advantage to help you eliminate debt, lower your taxes, and things like that. Add more money back into your paycheck. What do you do when you get a sale? We have a script here for you to send them. Put in your email. The vault. How to use the vault. Okay, accessing the vault right here. All of that is for you. Then you're going to see your bonuses here. The overview, live weekly training, 10-part training series, team rotator. Okay, how to get into the team rotator, social marketing, social mastery blueprint, YouTube University, YouTube Short, Instagram Scalability Pro, Mastermind. All of this you're going to get access to for 100% free. You're also going to have this app on your phone. Okay, you're going to have an app on your phone that looks just like this. This is the desktop version of that app, so you're going to have this app as well. Here's where you're going to have all of your, your funnels and things. But even here inside of the, start promoting section, where you want to get good at the process and all of that, you want to understand all of that. Under the set up your apps and links, you're going to be able to see which funnel is for you, setting up your domain, the app, all of that, everything is right there for you. All of this is where you're going to find, I'm not going to scroll down, but you're going to find your funnels here that you can get access to. You can access document training. So you're going to get this app right here. Everything you're going to see your bonuses. All of that is in. So all of this you're going to have access to inside of here for you. These are the bonuses that you get access to. You can go back to all training. All the bonuses are listed over here on the side that you're going to, the training that you're going to get. You're going to see training right here. Okay. You see pages right here. You're able to see your pages, everything you need right here inside of this system. Not only that, you're going to get access to live training that happens every day inside of our Facebook group. So we're going to give you that as well. So we have training every day that's going to help you out. And on top of that, you're able to come to the results and see where people are getting results that's going to help you in your business. And you see people are getting results. So if you are ready to join MyEcon, click that link in the description, pick your plan so you can get started, and we'll go from there. I look forward to working with you. I want you to have a great day today. Forgive the background noise. That's my dog, somebody at the door, but I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.